There are 6 issues for production design. The first one is robust design. The second one is modular design. The third one is computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM. The fourth one is virtual reality technology. The fifth one is value analysis, and the last one is sustainability or life cycle assessment (LCA). The first one is robust design. Robust design is the product that designed so that small variations in productions or assembly do not adversely affect the product. It is also a design that can be produced to requirement even with unfavorable conditions in the production process. Robust design is also an engineering methodology that aims to develop product and process that are high quality, reliable, and also cost effective. After that, we have modular design. Modular design is a design in which parts or components of a product are subdivided into modules that are easily interchanged or replaced. Modular design offers flexibility to both production and marketing. Operation managers also find modularity is very helpful because it makes product development, production, and also subsequent change easier. Marketing will like modularity because it adds flexibility to the ways customer can be satisfied. Now we have CAD or computer-aided design. The use of computers to interactively design products and prepare engineering documentation. It uses three-dimensional or 3D drawing to save time and money by shortening development cycles for virtually all products. Faster development, better products, and accurate flow of information to other departments all contributes to a tremendous payoff for CAD.
CAM or computer-aided manufacturing is a specialized computer which will increase manufacturing efficiency. CAM means to add CAD by directing and controlling the manufacturing equipment through a specialized computer. Through this use, there will be a less work to be done, less defect product. For example, automotive company use CAM to manufacture car parts with high precision, such as engine components or body panels. Next is virtual reality. This is interesting as virtual reality enables you to see the future design of a product. VR is increasingly used in product design for visualization, prototyping, and user testing. For example, a seller will show the customer the finishing product in 3D image, but they still can interact with it. Value analysis is analysis that will be done during the process of making a guaranteed succeed product. This analysis will be used for other improvements that can be done in the future. Lastly, sustainability. Sustainability means designing products with minimal environmental impact across the life cycle from material selection to disposal. To understand more, for example, a company designed a shoe made entirely of biodegradable materials to reduce landfill waste.
An assembly drawing simply shows an exploded view of the product. An assembly drawing is usually a three-dimensional drawing, known as an isometric drawing. The relative locations of components are drawn in relation to each other to show how to assemble the unit. The assembly chart shows in schematic form how a product is assembled. Manufactured components, purchased components, or a combination of both may be shown on an assembly chart. The assembly chart identifies the point of production at which components flow into subassemblies and ultimately into a final product. The route sheet lists the operations necessary to produce the component with the material specified in the bill of material. The route sheet for an item will have one entry for each operation to be performed on the item. When route sheets include specific methods of operation and labor standards,
An Engineering Change Notice, ECN, is a formal document used in engineering and manufacturing to communicate approved changes to a product's design, processes, or specifications. The ECN process Firstly, identification of need for change. Changes are often initiated based on issues raised by customers or internal teams during product development or production. The second one is engineering change request, ECR. Before an ECN can be issued, an engineering change request, ECR, must be evaluated and approved. The third one is issuance of ECN. Once the ECR is approved, the ECN is created to formally document and communicate the change. Last but not least, implementation. After distributing the ECN to all relevant parties, teams will execute their specific roles in implementing the change according to the documented plan. This is the summary of ECN. The work order is a formal document that outlines specific tasks, projects, or jobs to be completed, typically within a maintenance, manufacturing, or service context. It serves as a directive that details the scope of work, responsible parties, timelines, and required resources, ensuring clarity and accountability in task execution. This is the work order process.